Better now, man. I'm sorry about before. I literally tried to. Here we go. All right. Can you guys hear me now? I'm not going in until I hear at least somebody tell me that they can hear me right now. You know what I mean? Hello, 1 viewer, 2 viewers, 3 viewers. It's found them now. Can you hear me right now? Can you hear me? Just 1 year and I'm gonna go in. Excuse me. Christina, can you hear me? All right. Hey, can y'all hear me? All right, bet. So this is for people who say, I don't have the money to invest in stocks. I don't have no way of doing it. There's no way I can invest in stocks because you live in check to check, right? All right, so if you are living check to check, you have no money to invest in stocks, I promise you, this is the video for you today. This may be transferable to people in different areas, but I'm letting you know what you can do right now here in Dayton, Ohio. I'm telling you right now, if you have no money to invest, but you want to invest, you want to do a safe way of doing it, where you're not even putting your own money up, this is the video for you. This is the video right now. So share this video. If you ain't got no money, you literally work, you work your ass off, and you have no money to invest. This is the video. Reshare. I swear to God. I'm about to show you how you can get at least $500 for free to invest. Plus more. You can get $500 easily to invest. This is the video for you right now. I swear to God. Reshare. I promise y'all, I only bring y'all the good information, right? I'm going to tell you exactly how you could take this $500 and invest it safely, even during the time where the stock market is messed up. You can invest this same amount of money right now that you're going to get for free to invest, and you will not lose money on this investment, right? All right. So make sure we got everybody in here first. You feel me? Because it's not lit enough. It's not lit enough. What's good, C Cash? It's not lit enough for me. It's not lit enough. This is where you're going to make some money. It should be more people here. It should not be just me talking to you. It should not be me just talking to the 8 people here. This is where you're going to make money in the stock market, where you can quit your job, bro. Share this right now. This is literally that video. This is that video I'm telling y'all right now. Like, this is the video right now. This is the video where you learn how to invest for free. Right? I'm about to tell y'all exactly how you can get $500 right now. You may take this $500 and blow it. But I'm telling you right now how you can take from you working your 9-to-5 job, right? Let's say you work Monday through Friday. Let's say you got a little job. Let's say you work at McDonald's, right? You work your 9-to-5 job. You get a transfer of energy is what we call it. It's like when you get your direct deposit, right? And then you feel better knowing you got paid, right? That money that you get into your bank account is actually accumulative to where you can make money off of that, right? So you saying what? How, right? So there is this bank called Huntington Bank. Everybody write down Huntington Bank, or somebody type in the comment section Huntington Bank. I'm about to show y'all right now how you can get $500 for free. And I don't know why it's only 8 people watching. It makes 0 sense. I'm going to show you how you can turn this $500 that you're getting for free and how to flip it in the stock market, right? Share this real quick. I promise you, right? Huntington Bank, right? So listen, let's say you have a job. Let's say you work at Fuyao. Brody, you work at Fuyao. It's cool. It's cool, right? You open up a bank account with Huntington Bank, right? You work at Fuyao. You work at your little job. Let's say you work daycare, right? But you get a direct deposit. Let's say you work for the county. You work for wherever you work at, you get a direct deposit. That money going into a certain place can generate you money. If you put that money into a Huntington Bank, if you gross over $700 a month, right? So if you make over $700, a lot of us make that in one check. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Right? If you make over $700 a month, they will give you a line of credit for $500. Why is that important? Because you said you ain't got the money to invest. Right? So you're not taking that money that you already make. You're not taking that money that you already accumulating. You already living check to check. You are living check to check, right? But if you are taking that money through a bank, you can get a line of credit. Somebody type in the comment section a line of credit. Somebody type in I ain't going forward, so somebody text in the comment section a line of credit. I swear to God, I'm not. I swear to God, I'm not. Because y'all got to learn this. Y'all have to learn this. I promise you. Anybody, there we go. A line of credit. So let's say off top, right? You already working your job. You work at Food Yeah. You work at the little, feel me? Nigga, you work at the corner store, right? But you make over $500, right? So, okay, you feel me? Your baby mama slide you $200. Now you over $700. Now you get a line of credit of $500, right? You can take that $500 that you invested. I mean, like, no. Money that's already free and clear to you. You can take that money and invest it. Now, y'all saying, where should I invest it, Peanut? Where should I invest $500? A stock that pay you guaranteed, which I've already told y'all about. It's called a dividend stock. A dividend is a stock that pays you. Everybody played Monopoly when they was younger. Everybody did. Somebody type Monopoly before I keep going. Type Monopoly in the comment section. I promise you, I'm walking y'all there. I'm walking y'all there. Somebody type Monopoly in the comment section. Somebody. I'm not going forward till y'all text that. All right, Monopoly. Monopoly, right? So when you landed on Community Chest, they gave you a card that says bank dividend in your favor. You got paid bread just based off that, right? Dividends work the same way. So let's say, right? You working that same 9-to-5 job. You working that same 9-to-5 job. You're not getting paid. But now that money going through the same bank is going to generate you a line of credit. You can take that line of credit and invest that into a dividend stock that pays you guaranteed. For the people in the back, it pays you guaranteed. So let's say, for instance, right, you put that $500 into Apple. You will get that percentage on your money guaranteed. So when it comes time to paying back that zero APR finance on that line of credit, which is zero, you can make money off the percentage you make off stocks. Bro. That don't make sense to y'all. That don't make sense to y'all. Like, so when I go off on y'all, when I be wilding on y'all, when you have the people of the world saying, oh, no, Peanuts, no way. Everybody messed up. No way you can make no money off this. No way you can make money off stocks. How? I'm showing y'all. Can't nobody call me tomorrow and fire me. Y'all know this. My W-2 form was filled out by me. Like, I don't understand, how y'all don't understand. You don't have to do the hard plays. You ain't got to worry about if this stock is the next stock. You can literally put put your money in stocks that are popping right now. Off the backboard to you to dunk it. Everybody who's a working class probably, now, mind you, my bigger cities that follow this is probably it don't fit y'all sometimes, right? But here in Dayton, we drive cars. Everybody got to drive a car. 15 minutes everywhere, but you got to drive a car. Gas is a known thing, right? So I did last week's picks. I told y'all, right? For the top 15 stocks for the past 15 years was all energy stocks. And they all were gas now. So if you want to buy stocks that's going to be popping right now, you're going to buy a gas stock. But if you want to be ready for the future, let's say you want to buy stocks that's not too high priced, like if if Shell or BP is too high price for you, right? You can think in the future. You could buy a energy stock of the future, right? Which is going to be electric, like we know this. Ford has electric cars. You got Teslas. You got everything else. The stock market ain't hard, bruh. Like, y'all make it like it's not hard. You can buy what's popping today or what's popping tomorrow. You sit and you wait and you sell. That's it. So at the end of the day, it's like when people try to like come to me with these sob stories about, oh, black people can't do this, black people can't. No, we can. We are the number one consumers of everything. We are like, it's time to quit being victims and being capitalists. Being capitalist, not a victim. That's the slogan. I'm not trying to sell y'all clothing line. I'm telling y'all what y'all could be doing. This is a whole, like, watch list. This is Coca-Cola. This is Apple. This is PayPal. This is IBM. And it goes on. I'm showing y'all the stuff that you can easily buy to make bread off of it. And I promise you, I'm at the point where I'm damn near tired of just trying to just, like, help y'all. Like, why am I continuing to do this shit for no reason? Like, I mean, yes, the people that are waking up is super dope. It's super, like, I'm not trying to discredit people who in the inbox me told me, Peanut, thank you, bro. You changed my life. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all, because y'all the ones who keep going. Because if it was just up for just me coming on a Sunday, you know what I can do on a Sunday? Like, y'all saw me before. If you don't know, check my Instagram. I was on vacation every week. Like, I was on vacation every week. But now, you feel me? I'm here trying to make sure people is focused. Because right now is the time where you should be buying, I promise you. If you look at the time where AMC and all that stuff was going crazy, Dogecoin, whatever you want to call it, everybody's buying during that time. Now is the time everything discounted. Why are you waiting till gas is $1 million to go buy it? Or would you rather be the person that bought it while it was cheaper? The last thing I'm going to leave y'all with is this, man. People used to jump out of buildings when the stock market plummeted. This is when McDonald's was worth $26 a share. It dropped to $12. People jumped out of buildings. Look at McDonald's stock today and see how much that stock is worth. I'm going to leave y'all with that. I promise you, McDonald's stocks are above $100 a share. And this can be like at least 120, at least 130. But in the day, man, listen, I'm just trying to wake the people up, bro. It ain't about that. It ain't about nothing. You feel me? But at the end of the day, you feel me? It's when I see people, and it's no disrespect to the people that comment on my stuff or whatever. But at the end of the day is, I'm not going to sit back and make it seem like my people are victims, bro. My people ain't victims. Yes, there are people that live on the fringes. People that literally ain't got nothing. Like, they got to choose between water or a bag of chips. I understand that. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about y'all that's working check to check. I'm talking to y'all. So when you come on my page talking about black struggle or the struggle period, I'm not talking about the fringes people. I'm talking about y'all who literally get y'all check and y'all know y'all make enough money. And y'all not doing the right things with y'all bread. Yes, it's okay to tell y'all kids no, so you can make sure they go to college later. So, man, this sell stock's not dope. Every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m. And I just get y'all, just feel me, just something on the passionate side, because I'm just tired of people acting like they victims, bro. We ain't victims at all, bro. We are strong. Like we got Juneteenth. Our ancestors ain't like, they ain't go hard for us to sit back and be dormant. We not waiting on nobody to come save us. We are here to save us, bro. We here to save us. I'm the OG that's gonna help the young boy. That's me. You feel me? So quit being victims, man. Being capital's not a victim is lit for y'all, man. Sell stock's not dope. Every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m. It's your boy, Dash Resource, man. T-shirtking247.com, man. Love y'all, man. Reshare this so you can understand it's so easy to make money off stocks for free. I just show y'all how to do it for free. bruh. For free, bruh.